Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Keep learning. Before we start the video, please subscribe and like my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about statistical diagrams. Actually, what do you understand by statistical diagrams in geography? The very first thing that you need to learn in these statistical diagrams are about what is statistical data. Statistical data are nothing but just a collection of numerical data in which many numerical things are given, and you need to interpret and analyze all of these data. Statistical diagrams have assumed very great importance in geography just because these are very helpful in representing the physical and cultural elements. Now we need to understand that what is physical and cultural elements. For example, physical and cultural elements are rainfall, population, temperature, and etc. What are the importance or advantages of statistical diagrams? First, it gives us an analytical view of the diagram, that is, we can know and remember many things about the given data just by seeing the statistical diagrams. Next is, it helps in simplifying the data. Often data are available in the form of long lists and are represented in a very complicated form. It is extremely difficult to understand these data and to draw any conclusion from them. Statistical diagrams helps in presenting the data in simplified form. For example, when data of a population, that is, for example, if population is given of India and the question comes that we need to find out the most populated place in India. Here the data are not arranged and hence it takes time, and in case of statistical diagrams the data are arranged in ascending order or descending order, and when we look into the diagram it makes us very clear and easy to find out the questions that are. Next, it is very helpful in comparative studies, that is, we can make comparative studies of similar data of different areas or of different types of data of the same area with the help of statistical diagrams. How we can make comparative studies in statistical diagrams, I will explain you further in my video. Now we come to types of diagrams. What are the types of diagrams in statistical diagrams? That is, first we have line graph, then we have bar graph, we have combined line and bar graph, pie or wheel diagram, flow diagram, and then we come to the last, that is star diagram. What do you understand by line graph? This is a simple graph in which the statistical data are shown with the help of a line. It is generally used for showing temperature or production of a commodity. The line showing the data is drawn with the help of two coordinates drawn on a graph paper. Two coordinates that we have already studied in class in our school life, that is y-axis and x-axis. One is in the horizontal direction and called the x-axis. The other is in the vertical direction and it is called the y-axis. The x-axis shows month, year, states, countries, etc. While the x-axis represents the changes with reference to elements shown along the x-axis. That is, if we are showing months, years and states in our x-axis, then we can show temperature, population, production in our y-axis. Thus, the y-axis normally shows temperature, population and production. Normally, the data shown along the y-axis starts from 0, but sometimes the minimum value of the data to be shown is so large that a lot of space between the x-axis and the minimum value goes waste. In case of a false base line is used, this is drawn parallel to the x-axis and the minimum value is written on it. Scale is selected considering the minimum and the maximum values of the given data as well as the size of the paper. Now we will learn how to construct line diagram. For example, let us consider this question. Draw a simple line graph to show the mean monthly temperature 33.6, July 30.9, August 29.8, September 29.2, October 25.7, November 19.7, and December the temperature is 15.2. Now what you need to do is to construct this line graph is take a paper and draw x-axis and y-axis on it. Mark 12 points, mark 12 months of the year along the x-axis and the temperature along the y-axis. The maximum temperature is 33.6 in the month of June, as you can see in the table. Keeping this fact in view and considering the size of the paper, select a suitable scale and mark the temperatures from 0 degree to 35 degree along the y-axis. Now how can we divide the scale into perfect scales? The temperature are given 13.8, 16.6, 21.6. Therefore we see that the difference between the two temperatures is not perfect in all the cases. So we can take the scale like this. First we start from 0, then 5, 10, 15, 20 till 35. That is, we are going to take the scales along the x-axis with difference of 5 degree between every point. Then mark the temperatures of the concerned months. That is, if first let us see with January. Now the temperature is given 13.8 in January. Then move along January, that is first. Okay. Then see January, it has 13.8 degree. So 13 comes between 10 and 15. So 10, after 10 is 11, 12 and then 13. Then mark point in January. Then comes to February. February has 16.6. Then move to February, the month of February along the x-axis. And then you see that we have February. The temperature of February is 16.6. And move ahead. And now mark a point 16.6 in February. Then comes to March. Then see where 21.6 is coming. Then mark a point in 21.6. Then it comes to April. Like this you need to mark till December. When the marking has been done, once the marking has been done, now what you need to do is you need to join all the points together, just like I have done in my video. Now your complete line diagram has been shown. This is how we will draw a line diagram whatever the data are given. Once you have learned how to